Hi friend, my name is Chandramani and this is the ninth part of this Active Directory migration series, and we are performing this activity in Windows Server 2016, which is the latest version of Microsoft. And let's remember what we did in the last video. If you remember, I think in the last video everything was done, and we have before migration we have created one test user account, and that has been migrated, and that was successfully also done, correct? So let's go to our lab. Let's Yeah, it's a source domain and the target domain. In the target domain, if you look at your Active Directory migration tool, as well as we can open the Active Directory user and computers. Okay, so this is taking time. 1 second. Yeah, it has opened now. See, in Active Directory migration account, if you go to the reports here, is something is there? Yeah, nothing, right? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, Active Directory user and computer. So let open. See here, we migrated one user account, test user account, that has been migrated to 1 second, where we migrated in the last video. User from source, right? This one we have migrated, and test to user account was the uh, member of the global group. So that's what same has been migrated at the same time when we migrate the test user, because we have selected the option while we migrating the user account, the associated member also need to be migrated while migrating the user, right? That option we have selected. That's the reason whatever the member of the test group, whatever the member of which user we are migrating, that also will migrate to the target domain. So this is what happened, right? So this we did in the last video. Let's now what I will do, I will migrate some in production environment. Like after test is done, we need to migrate production environment. So let's take 100 users to migrate from source to target. Then we will check the logs, and we will migrate the service account after that. And then we will create the profile, some user profile, and we'll create some folders and files. And when we run the security translations, at that time what whether it is migrated or not, that we'll look into it. Okay, let's come to the point. But do not forget to subscribe my channel, as well as if you really like my video, please like my video, and give comments also. If you have any queries, you can put it in comments so I can reply you, right? So let's go to the target domain here. In this target domain, so we will migrate some like 100 users, right? So for that, what I will do, let's open the Active Directory user and computers in source domain. We will select some users. Okay, uh, yeah, it is opening. Yes, it has opened. So here what I will do, test OU, right? I have created, and the test OU I have put it some. Okay, let me create one more OU here. Okay, new organizational unit. So I can write it like migrate users, correct? Let's same thing. Okay, so what I will do here, I will move some users from yeah, yeah, move some users to here. Okay, 100 users, right? Let's select some user. I think it might be 100. Let's move to migrate users. Okay, and open the, till the time we can open the PowerShell command, we can get to know that how much user we have moved. I don't know why it's getting slow. Okay, let's open. Guys, you know, right, what is the command to sure? So let me this one, right? This is what command I have here. You can note it down, so it will help you to do this thing, correct? Yeah. So here what I will do, migrate users, right? I can delete here. That's fine, right? Press. It will show you how much, I mean, how many users are there here. This particular OU. Oh, what happened? Is this correct name I'm given? Let's look. Migrate. 1 second. Users, right? That's fine. Oh, I'm here. Okay, one done mistake I have done. It's a source domain, right? Source domain.com. That's fine. Now it will work. So it's 93. So more 7 user we can migrate. Okay. Go to the users. Here I can take 7 users more. That's fine. One more. Okay. Move to migrate user. Let's check it now. Okay, same command we just put. Yeah, now it's 100 users, right? It is there in the users OU. So what we will do, let's check whether it is member. Yeah, it is member of some user also. Not an issue. We can take some few users here. Just right click properties and accounts, address, profile, everything. Okay, not an issue. Let's migrate some users from source to 200 users. So what I will do here, I will open the Active Directory migration tool. Right click, user account migration. Yeah, click the next. Click the next. It, and I can select here source domain. I can select entire OU, right? So this has all the, sorry, go to the advanced here and find now. So whatever the users are there, you can able to see here. So what I will do, you just select this, the 100 users, and press enter. Okay, that all users came here. Just press the OK. Okay, now it has been added and click the next. So it is asking like the, the path, LDAP path of here. Go to the next and is migrate the password. Of course I want to migrate the password also. Click the next. Yeah, it will check the password migration services also. Let me check whether the services is started or not here. So accordingly we need to start the services. If it is not started, let's see services, right? Let's see whether we received error. No, still not. It is calculating. Yeah, let's check the password services are enabled or not. If it is not started, we have to be start. Yeah, it's running, so that means it will work. Yeah, it has worked. And target same as source, that's perfect. And migrate user sid also. Click the next and it asking the username password, so you can put, I don't know what happened. Something went wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, migrate associated user groups also, so it will migrate to whatever the member groups are the part of the that users, member of that users, so that also will migrate because we are selecting this option. That's fine. Click the next. Yeah, these options are also there. You can, I mean, property of exclusion which is not covered, if you want, that can be also you can done here, but I don't want these things. Click next. And do not migrate source objects, it conflict. If something is problem is there, some object I don't want to migrate this thing, I will look into later, I will look into it later and then I will migrate. So that's what this option is there. If the object is conflict, if getting some error, some trouble, then it should not be migrate. Okay, and click the next here. Click the finish. See, I think you already know that we have last time we migrated one user. It was taking like 1 minute, I think, 30 second. So it's 100 means that it will take maximum time. So I'm pause this video. Once it is migrated successfully, we will come back to you and like we will review the logs. Okay. See, if you look at here, I think the migration has been completed and hundreds has 100 users objects has been migrated without any error. Right? You can review the logs here also. Okay, so everything is written like target domain, source domain. This is the target domain is netvirus name of the target domain, and this is the source domain of netvirus name of the source domain. So everything is clearly mentioned here, and what things has been migrated, what users has been migrated, and how many users have been migrated, and aside history also migrated. So if you go to the targeted domain here, if you look at here, you can get to know that it has been migrated. Let's look. Close it. Yes. Okay, see, if you look at here, now the 100 users has been migrated to here, including like it's 101 because one test user also migrated, right? So it has been migrated. Okay, so what we will do in the next video, we will migrate the service account. Okay, and it is very important when you migrate the service account because before migrating the computer we have to be migrate the service account. We will check the services of computer and then we will migrate user account, like which is service account we called, and then we will migrate the computer. So that we will perform in the next video. So thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, as well as please like this video. And if you have any queries on this video, please give a comment, so I will definitely reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.